Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your Apple ID credentials and two-factor access because iTunes uses that identity for purchases and downloads. Once done, make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS so the iTunes Store shows correctly. Open Settings or System Preferences and check updates. Next, add or confirm a payment method or redeem an Apple gift card. This prevents interruptions when you buy content. These first steps unlock the account and payment layer so you can access the store immediately. You sign into iTunes or the Apple Music app with your Apple ID. This authenticates purchases and syncs your library. Once signed in, go to Account Settings and verify billing address, phone, and payment method because mismatched country or card details block transactions. After that, configure store preferences, turn on automatic downloads for purchases, or set download quality to streamline future content delivery. Make these adjustments now so buying or re-downloading content later is seamless and tied to the correct Apple ID. You complete a purchase by tapping the Price or Get button, then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. This authorizes billing and ties the item to your Apple ID. Once purchased, monitor the Downloads or Purchase section to track progress and resume interrupted downloads. If something fails, try signing out and back in, verify the payment method, restart the device, or reset network settings. These steps resolve most errors. Keep two-factor access ready to re-authenticate when prompted, and you'll finish smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.